So today I have for you Empties. Those are my body products. In here there are different kind of body lotions, body butter, scrubs, and I'm sure I'm gonna find something else. So if you're curious what's worth trying out, then keep on watching. As you see for yourself, I have here many items because I was collecting them for the last 8 months, and I'm gonna start with, here we go, the 3 Hat Shea Moisturizing Body Wash Tropical Mango, enriched with vitamin A, E, F and antioxidants. I did enjoy it. Okay, I did like the product. As a shower gel, it did its job. It smells nice. Will I repurchase? Maybe if I'm in a need, but otherwise it was a nice shower gel. And then another one, it's from NEUTROGENA, that's the RainBath in a scent Fresh Plum. This particular one comes in 3 different sizes, so you have smaller one, this one, and there's way bigger. There are many different scents. The product is simple, and because of that you can easily display it in your bathroom. What it does, it cleans, foams, and it doesn't dry the skin. I already tried few of those and I do like it, and I don't mind repurchasing, I should say rebuying in the future. And shower gels, here we go. Next product, it's from Dove, that's their hydrating body wash, nourishing body wash, soft skin elastic nourishment. I did like it because I was in a humid climate. Why I use it, and why I like it, because when you're dealing with humid, you don't want to put nothing on you, because the moment when you go outside you're gonna be sweating. So this was a nice way of hydrating, but at the same time it wasn't too much that I'm gonna be sweating right away. I did enjoy the product, and possible I will repurchase in the future. Next item is from Soap & Glory with built-in body lotion, creamy moisture shower gel. This item is similar to Dove, meaning it's a shower gel, but after you're done showering, you don't need to use lotions or anything afterwards, because your skin is not gonna be dry. So it's perfect for like the humid climate. And then, do I have any shower gels? Yes, I have one from Origins, that's their Ginger Burst Savory Body Wash. This one smells exactly the same as their Ginger Souffle, which is pleasant. And as a shower gel, yes, it was nice. Couple more items from Soap & Glory. That's their Scrub of Your Life. What is it? It's a shower gel with small beads inside. So it's like 2 in 1. You're gonna have shower gel and also a little bit of exfoliation. This one smells exactly as their body butter, which comes in a tube, which is, it's a nice sweet scent, but it's not so sweet that you're gonna get headache. I did like the product and already have a backup because I bought few sets during Christmas time. So yeah, now it's time to use it up. And then another item from the same brand is their creamy body wash, which is 3 in 1. You can use to cleanse, shave and moisture, and the scent is the same as this one. It says you can shave it. I didn't use as a shaving cream because it's really thick, but as a shower gel, yes, it did a job. And similarly as with those 2 items, you don't need to use lotion afterwards. Next item, it's from Dove, that's their exfoliating body polish. This particular one, it's with crushed macadamia and rice milk. They have many different ones. And the nice thing about it has really small particles. So in case if you have dry or sensitive skin, you can still use it, but it's not gonna be too harsh for you. And it's drugstore, so you cannot really go wrong with it. But on the other side, I have the Flake Away from Soap & Glory. With this one, it's either sea salt or sugar, where you can feel the grittiness while you're exfoliating your body. So at that point, it's your choice which one you want to go with. But since this is a drugstore, similar product, it's from Clarins, that's their exfoliating body scrub for smooth skin with bamboo powders, soft and smooth and firms. If you like the feeling of Dove, this one works exactly the same, but it's way cheaper. So from those three items, no, I'm not gonna repurchase this because I'm getting the same results from the Dove with the Soap and Glory. Yes, it does smell nice, it does the job. However, the three-head scrub, they perform exactly the same and they are way cheaper. I have few face washes left. First one, it's from Body Shop. That's their British Rose Shower Gel. It does smells like roses, but it's none of that real scent or the fake one. It's a little bit different. But as a shower gel, it did perform well. Even though it's a small bottle, you don't need to use a lot because the product is going to give you a lot of foam. So yes, I did like it. Will I repurchase? No, because I have many other products to go through. But yes, it was a nice item. From Victoria's Secret, I have their shower gel, which smells exactly as Bombshell. It was a shower gel. If you don't like nothing too much scented, you're not gonna like it, but it did perform well. From Nivea, I have their Nourishing body wash with serum. This one was similar as the one from Dove, but it didn't foam, so that's one thing which you have to be aware of. Will I repurchase the Body Shop? Not at the moment, but yes, it was a good item. Same as with the Nivea. If I'll be in a need of a nourishing body wash, it's either this or the Dove because they both perform well. And the Victoria's Secret, if it comes in a set, yeah, why not? Because it's obviously it's gonna be better value. But no, I'm not gonna buy it by itself. I'm gonna move over to the hand creams. First one is the avocado hand cream, regenerating dry damaged skin. Yes, I did like it. It provided a nice hydration and it did repair my hands. I used this at night because it was a little bit heavier than something which I will use during the day. However, for the day, the fresh peach hand cream was really nice. It did smell like peaches, but it wasn't heavy or sticky that you cannot touch the handles. So this one was perfect for the day. That was the day one. Ooh, this one was good for the night. That's the avocado. The peach was good for the day. And then I have another one from Jaya. So it's the same brand. Goat milk for dry skin. And similarly as with the peach one, was really nice for the day. And because it has a goat milk, it's gentle as well. But a little bit heavier than this was the Evelyn Smoothing and Moisturizing Elixir for Hands and Nails with 10% urea. It was, I would say, elegant product, which it did its job and smell nicely. Will I repurchase? With the peach one, I know I already used like 2 or 3 of them, so no, I will not. Maybe I have a backup of this one, I'm not sure. I do enjoy Jaya products because besides coming in a nice package, they perform well. I'm gonna follow up with a shower gel. This one is Skintimate, vanilla sugar, shea butter and vitamin E. It's a shower gel, did its job. I have no issues with it. I went through many bottles of the Skintimate. Most of the time I'm buying the pink one, unless there's some kind of a set and I don't really mind which one is in it because I'm gonna only use it to shave my legs. I have 2 sachets. First, it's from the Rituals. That's the Rituals of Sakura. Magic Touch Body Cream with rice milk and cherry blossom. It smells nicely. The texture of it reminded me of the Nivea coconut scent, which comes in like a huge tube. And Rituals, yes, it is a really, let's call it comfortable brand, but prices, that's a totally different story. However, I will not buy this because if you skip the scent but you do enjoy the texture, I will say buy Nivea body butter, which comes in like a huge tube for like, I know it's less than $10. However, it performs exactly as this one. Then from Amlactin, I have the little sachet of Rapid Relief Restolic Lotion with ceramide. Heals extremely rough, flaky, dry skin. If you have any eczema, psoriasis, or let's say special skin conditions which regular body lotion would not help, amlactin is perfect, and you can easily find that in any drugstore. SERUM deodorant from Sakura, that's their clinical strength, smooth, solid stress response. It worked, it did the job, and I already have a backup in my drawer. Because we have to wash our hands more often than usual, I swap my hand soap for face cleanser. This particular one is from Walgreens. That's their store version of the CeraVe Hydrating Facial Cleanser, fragrance free with ceramide hyaluronic acid. I do like it, and it doesn't dry my hands. So yes, I already repurchased and I do like it because I know I'm gonna use this on my hands. That's the reason why I'm buying the store version. But it is a good item because it's not gonna dry your skin, and at least you're gonna get some benefits. I'm gonna move over to the lotions. I have here baby version of the Cetaphil, and that's the bigger tube. Daily Advanced Lotion, ultra hydrating for body and dry sensitive skin. Yeah, they're both for the body. Clinically proven to hydrate and protect dry skin for 24 hours. Yes, it did hydrate. So if you are in a humid climate, yes, this one is perfect. But if you are in a dry, or let's say winter conditions when your skin is really dry, you will need to put something else on top of this. No, I will not repurchase because I'm not a fan of Cetaphil unless it's, let's say, like a face wash, which I know I'm gonna use on my hands. But otherwise, no, I'm not gonna repurchase. I'm gonna follow up by Origins. I have their Whip Body Cream Ginger Souffle. It does smells like ginger, but it's a pleasant scent of it. Whip Body Cream. The texture of it, it's really light, it's not too heavy. It will provide a hydration. If you are on a lookout for something which hydrate and smell nice, this is nice. But if you prefer something heavier, I will say try something else. But as a lotion, yes, it was a nice item. If you don't like scent in your products and you have problematic skin, I will say try CeraVe. This is their Itch Relief Moisturizing Lotion. No, it doesn't have any scent because this product is for certain skin condition. It's gonna be way gentle than this. And yes, it does a job. I like it. And possible I will repurchase in the future. Right now, I want to go through the items which I have in my stash. But yes, I do see myself repurchasing this one in the future. Next item, it's a body butter from Body Shop. That's their British Rose Scent Instant Glow. Yes, it smells the same as the shower gel. It did hydrate and yes, has texture of the butter. But however, okay, this one says instant glow. When you put it on, you have that nice sheen. I don't know what they put inside, but yes, the glow was quite nice. So let's say if you want to have that nice sheen while you're wearing, let's say, sleeveless dresses, you know what? This one, it's worth looking into it. However, if you're not fan of the rose, yeah, I would suggest check their other scents. From Jaya, I have two products. First is their avocado body lotion, regenerating dry damaged skin. This is my second bottle, and yes, I do like it. It is form of a lotion, but it has avocado oil, where afterwards you're gonna have that nice sheen, which also is gonna give you a protection and hydration. So yes, I do enjoy it. And the bottle is kind of big, it's 14 ounce, so it's gonna last you for a while. No, I will not repurchase because I'm trying to use the products which I have. But in the future, yes, I'm planning on buying this one again. And then I have goat milk body butter with vitamin 3, 6 and vitamin E. Like this one, because of the avocado oil, was giving you that after sheen glow. This is more as a butter. The consistency is heavier than the lotion, but it absorbs really fast. And yes, I do like it, and I think I have like maybe one or two backups waiting on me. Then sticking with the butter, I have avocado body butter, which is a little heavier than the goat milk, but it also provides wonderful hydration. It smells wonderful. Yes, I do enjoy it. However, it's hard for me to get, so I'm gonna stick with the goat milk. Next item is from La Roche-Posay. That's their Lipica lotion, daily repair moisturizing lotion. Lipids replenishing all day hydration. This particular one, it's for normal and dry skin. There is another one for extra dry skin or very dry skin, and that one has a texture of like a butter. This is more like a lotion, and I did like it. They're saying you babies, children, and adults can use it. I use it on my body and I did enjoy it. Let's say if you have problematic skin, this one will take care of it. So yes, obviously I use it up, and possible I will repurchase during winter time. My skin is really problematic and I need something extra, or let's say something which I know it's gonna work, and this product does it. So yes, I will repurchase this one in the future. And those were all the empties for the body items. Hopefully you enjoyed this video, and I see you next time. Bye!